has come out to speak against the Igbos insultively and derogatively, disrespectfully. You have the likes of the idiot recently, Primate Ayodele. So my question is, apart from him, there is this other guy who I always forget his name, who was the actual one who explained the history behind the name Yoruba and how the Fulanese gave the name Yoruba and explained the, the historical and the meaning behind the word Yoruba, that you bear as a tribe that is actually a curse, with no sort of disrespect for the Yorubas. The Yoruba dignitaries, even some of their leader, some years ago when there was an election in Nigeria or in Yoruba land, a Yoruba leader came out and said that the Igbos must vote for his choice of leader or they will have to be thrown into the lagoon. We have had years of Yoruba personalities coming out to disrespectfully speak about the Igbos insultively, derogatively. Now my question is it that they don't train these people very well? Is it that their mothers are responsible for bringing up useless men, failed men with low potentials, high popularity and low value esteem? Is it that Yorubas are very bad in terms of producing reasonable men who knows how to use words in season? Is it the fact that the Yorubas just doesn't know in terms of they are not good in terms of producing men of consequence who are matured in terms of using words? Is it that like the production of touts, agberos that they are known for has gone to the level of even them being in positions like they don't have reasonable men that can represent them in dignitaries, in good positions? Now what they have are useless men, like men of low consequence but fame, men who are not properly. Is it that their mothers are failing to do a good job? Is it that their mothers are failing and their fathers are not at home? Or is it that their fathers themselves are bandits, smokers and criminals who are not properly trained well, who also comes out to train useless men as well, just like them, and they return push them out there? It is understandable when an influencer, anybody can be an influencer nowadays, comes out and says something. But it is very disrespectful to the true Yorubas that on occasions they have had men whose words are expected to come out in seasons and salted, whose men are expected that by knowledge and research and readings they will have come to some level of understanding where they don't just speak out anything. Unfortunately, these are men that use derogatory terms, and this is a tribe that their name alone says curse.